Yeah, good afternoon to my lovely family, friends, and where which are out there. It's a nice day. Again, sorry that I'm doing this audio because it's very, very necessary that I do this audio at this particular time. You see, when I go to tell people that time, say, Mona, no worry, Mona just cool down. They watch the way when Monica and Lolo want to end. Many people not they believe me. Many people they cry. Just look now, their fight still continue. Monica they reply Lolo, Lolo they reply Monica. You understand? I'll just quick play one audio. I'll play one of Monica video to now. Mona listening on how Monica tell they confess. As they confess about the secret and everything when with Lolo don't do. That time they are two they both say they be queen of pussy. Now so they be winch, now so they be this, now so they be that. But today, okay, the mighty are falling. You understand? The mighty person, the mighty people, or the mighty person, they don't fall now. You understand? And it's a big shame. All these people they bring a lot of persons down, a lot of big dignities, they bring them down. They bring people like my boss, Ambassador John Osage, they bring person like in your kind of person. They humiliate the enemy for social media. They humiliate so many dignities, so many personalities. People like Skimmy, yeah, people like Destiny Bawa, people like many dignities. Just listening as Monica take reply Lolo and as it leak some secret out. Mona listening, guys.
And say it for people. If people no build us, they no buy, me wanna live there. Me wanna live there. They do not feel look for husband. So please, I will keep on saying that thing. If you like, people say, oh, Monica, they deceive them. Monica do. He say, make them not do. Now you know your family. Say, you fool. Now only God will come make am empty. You overfool the person. I no be small pikin. I no be Ozuo. Because person talk wetin dey pain am for heart or wetin he take know say this my mate na this one he take pain na he take pass me. Meanwhile, no, me I get wetin I take pass am. Na that one be better problem full the whole world. Na yeye problem be person problem. That one no be my business o. That one no be my business o. If I want to travel, I travel around the whole world. Of what use is it to you to have passport and be useless? Common UK tickets na bus they take they go. Na flight me take they go UK if I they go in and come a flight. If they want go, they will enter night bus. Night bus is 39 euro for adults, 11 euro for children. 9 husband they take, 9 wife they take. Since when they enter abroad, social media na donate money where they take go bury their own father. Until today, they don't even show me will be their best friend. They don't show me, see the burial of my father, see how we take burial. Not to talk of social media. Una no know say story day. Una no know say story day. I beg, I want to let that thing. People they come tell me, say Monica, show you. Forget that. Thank God say no lie for my head. Come talk, wetin I no do. You no like lie, way terrible. The lie way lie, na jealousy lie. Now me they even happy. Monica fans and follow, I'm gonna follow me happy.
Monica say he no like lie. Dignities, big personality when you don't lie for their head. Wetin no happen, wetin they no do. When you don't put for their head, you not talk down. When you talk say you no like lie, and you be the queen of lies. Please share this video, guys.
Now small because since when this matter happen, shebi I dey tell now say I don't know what I really do. I don't know what I really do. I don't understand because wetin me talk now say sorry. Why all that things come? I don't understand. Nah. The whole thing don't they come out say even passport was a problem. Me when no get passport, now me enjoy passer. Now me they fly. Common bus tickets, children 11 euro, 11 times 3. That's 33 euro. Adults, 39 euro. Less than 100 euro. Somebody, husband, they UK, they work. Wife, they here, they receive social, single mother money. You, two of you now, they fit put money together. To take back common less than 100 euro to go to UK for holiday. sleep for somebody's share for 7 months long. Hey, Jesus. Why these people wey get shit? Now they go they look for no wonder. Because me, I come dey surprise. I go ask my husband, only wetin come bring this our problem. Because aka shukume, may understand if I dey do something, hey, you dey do something, like say you be madam, say I be madam before. Right from time in my life, I be madam. Easy for Monica to carry children, carry husband, everybody. We go Nigeria, go dey do business, won't even relocate. Come back here again, come start like, you know easy now. How many of my mates don't fit try am? For you to say you want to go back to Nigeria, meaning una be maker. If something not go well, I come.
Monica, where you foresee the money, when you say they fly, they carry your husband, they carry children, not be social media money. Not be social media money. Are you working, Monica? Which work you dey work? You dey fly up and down. Do you even get natural feather now? Because when you talk say you be the queen of pussy and this thing, you admit and say, see what you be. So even though say you won't fly up and down, everybody know you be. Listen, guys, share this video.
Back, I start again, still pass them again. Husband and wife put together, I pass them. Only me one. We never even talk about my big man. Where they? Husband go just there abroad for 27 years long. No land, no house, not in home, not in wife place, not in Netherlands. The man is buy 3-bedroom, flat house. Anything not there. A blanket, aga, everything dilapidated. Husband and wife go cook tomato stew with egg. They use until they eat patat. No! My husband na pompon dey eat pompon. Do you know what is pompon? Everything we one leak from now henceforth. Now go they watch all my video. Mona see which person you like pass. Somebody like me. Pleasant glow still there like. Mona go ask her. How much I take the secret for her? I not be like those where use their own money to buy ambassador. He can't talk say na 2.5 they give her. Audio.
This is just the beginning of Monica and Lolo downfall. For them to humiliate Ambassador John Osagie enemy, humiliate Ambassador John Osagie wife enemy, humiliate many dignities for Benin, many dignities for Europe, humiliate Skin Miyak enemy, humiliate Destiny Bagua enemy, do everything. This is just the downfall of Monica and Lolo downfall. This is just the beginning. Listen, guys. Una will confess. This is just the new time. When I started to confess, una will confess. Everybody go know na secret. Una go see am.
Why be say people where they live fake life? When you go they live your real life, the thing go they painting. You go they painting. I know they do audio. I know come and want they control. Even money when me tell they do advertisement, me I know they talk am. I know they talk am. It's left for me. People where they
you come out that time, do they say why Ambassador John say you go carry your account come out say they help people, but now you put your own account there want say they help people. You see una go dey talk sometimes, una no go know say go reach una body tomorrow. Please guys, share this video.
Pay peanuts. Book from home. He book from home, pay €100. Make my enemy die. Make my enemy make die. For ordinary 40,000 book from home, no see. You don't see play. My girlfriend say, no me, make give me ambassador. Okay. I start.
Now they bring people down for social media. Una no go know say e go reach una body. Now e don reach una body now. Eyi so we azen or davegbe. Omari yere oge man ogbele. You go bring this one down. You go bring your that one down. You dey happy. They say shine your shine. Monica lobo. Monica lolo Ambrose lolo. Ajose. Hey, now we dey on top. Hey, we want to get 10,000 viewers. We want to get 10,000 fans. We want to get 100,000 fans. We want to get a billion thousand fans. This that. Wana agbe no rieko. Wana agbe no kekode. Wana awe ni ha. Wana awe na ekmopa no ke woman. But see today now, disgrace don't enter our body. today now called disgrace efanamotien osun alawa igbene efanamotien osun alawa igbene Monica Kekebe Lolo. Una secret everything una do as una take plan una take bring people down. Una must receive all of them for body. Una must receive all of them for body. Una must receive all of them for body. You understand? Please, guys, I'm sorry that I'm doing this, but I need to do it. I really need to do it. You understand? Because these people, they don't do. They don't beat more than they can shoot.
Get ready today.
They don't do beat more than they can shoot. Listen, it never
finished. This is the reason why I don't want friend though.
You see, confession day. Mona share the video. Confession.
Okay, my people. Today, confession. Let's see the person who is really living fake life. I have been saying it. Thank God. The wisdom where God give me. I said my papa and my mama when I did small. They also gui. You know when small pikin no more than himself. Even papa and mama go they fear you. Right from time for social media, I always they talk. I'll say no secret because I know the kind of person where they follow the waka. When you know person where you they follow waka, the oppression where they do to other people. More I remember saying I saw they'll take deal with you now.
Mona, go subscribe to a God Sent Family TV. Go and subscribe to a God Sent Family TV because more videos. I want to upload down more videos when they with me. From Lolo, when they reply Monica, when they do everything. The one way Monica they do, I will upload all of them. Then I go subscribe to a God Sent Family TV.
And when time come, when I know the kind person, I know how I tell me time. When they make am come to me, I know na person matter for this social media. Now person matter for this social media. I beg this person, rest for this person, forgive. He say no. The wicked people will never go unpunished. You see, the time where I say more they live for this social.
If you not share this video, make go reach Monica hand. I go end this. I go cut this record. I go just end that now.
Social media, truly, let's forgive and forget. Always move on. Anyone do bad thing, we go beat them. We go beat them. Now they finish. No lie like this woman say like today we call. The shop for his shit. He never shop his shit finish. Oh, he must confess. He must confess somebody for this social media. The evil way he do you. Hey, no be me go talk am. Now so she by herself as I dey talk her half. Now see as they come out because now she go use her mouth come take talk. Wetin I do her because I dey friendship I no do anything. Suddenly person just turn to wish. Man wish wetin come dey do you now? Wish wetin dey do you? Now let go, now head go, now I say which kind thing be this one? I no be God, my body dey hot. We no be husband and wife. Why you dey use my body hot like this? If I do leg, hey, problem. If I do hand, problem. Me mind get no salopa, a blessing no salopa me or bavopa. Me mind, Jesus Christ, this na person where I just see. For back here for a year, how many years? After 17 years in abroad, before we start to do friend. From 1 year to 17 years, you know make am. How it could be Monica problem when you just see yesterday? If you not look to her for social media, you not say, not be because of social media, now they work hard. I'm a hard-working goddamn woman. Right from home. I'm a hustler, but I know they used to tow. I know be fine woman where they used to tow. Like never. Now social media now they talk and say.
You know they used to tow. What do you call they use? You know they used to tow. What do you call they use? You and Lolo, Monica and Lolo, na two know the coven one or 2 day. Una two know the coven one for the do meeting. All sakbo now when I do confess in my man. 1 or 2 they bring people down. Una not on confess. Now we come be say sakbo ne or vegbo one. Now come they come out. They confess. Shame on you people. A big shame on you guys. Because when it is sweet. That when the 12 they do like lesbian, una not talk and come out. Now we don't say
now. Baby, that's right from time. Because I be better papa, mama, pikin. My mama na correct business woman, not be sit at home. mother wey dey look for people husband wey want to dey carry enter take dey take care of battalion when papa no dey as dem no teach me like that. I no still sabi am. Who sabi am for house na im dey sabi am for road. People na ashawo no be because say dem come do ashawo. Some people dey dem come do ashawo because na wetin dem come do for abroad be that after dem do am finish dem enter house because dem no be ashawo. Some people never do ashawo before but dem pass ashawo. They pass ashawo because ashawo is their lifestyle. They can fuck oga. They can fuck madam husband, madam boyfriend, ask girl husband, co-tenant, co-neighbor, co-idun, co-driver, co-husband brother, husband sister, husband colleague, church, anywhere.
That means Monica say Lolo not get Bekus again. Lolo don't use her Bekus to sleep with husband in-law, husband friend, husband papa, husband everything. He say Lolo don't sleep with all of them finish, sleep with driver, sleep with co-tenant. That means Lolo we're giving away Bekus here bani. How you blom. Mota Monica tai wadame oni ha. Share this video guys.
So my people, this evening, make una join me. Now happy, we want happy. Because now since we una dey talk and na jealousy, me go dey wonder, say which jealousy? Which jealousy? And life was going on for her. No be so I dey tell una where I dey judge to. Now me go really know, see, na jealousy oh. Upon now say she get passport, Monica better pass her home and abroad. I too much, I too correct. Even the single mother where they do, I better pass her 100%. May show your husband. If not be old picture, may take picture with your husband. Correct one, like me, they sample my husband picture every day. Correct one, video together. Make it show your husband with video. If you not go admission, that make swear social media. Not be all cargo where they show. Social media, why you give me move? First you go they show old picture, and I don't know why. Mona ask me show real picture, real one, new one. Together things. Men post her for social media. She get husband, not say not get husband, not be single mother, so na call her no. But make it do picture, men post her for social media, post her for Instagram, post her for YouTube. Post am for Facebook as me they do am. Post am. Make we see wetin go happen. Go wake up for hospital.
My sister Toby John. Me, I just dey drink. I dey drink put. I just dey drink as I dey play this thing. So I dey drink.
So now this one, now I need to be disgraced and humiliated for, just for the blessing of God on top of my life. They deny me passport, yet I was able to do everything. I go in and out of the country. I do everything I want to do. Was this the jealousy? Hey, God. So this was just the jealousy. Because I sabi. When they bring AKA, they come. CEO, ambassador. I say, me, I don't want ambassador free of charge. If somebody want use me to ambassador, now millions. Endorsement must be millions. I know they do free of charge, Joe. Because I don't want a title. Wetin they do for social media. Now for my people to see road and be happy. Woman wey feel say my own don't finish. I am here to give you hope. No, your own not finish. There is nothing in this life where you no go feel repair. Now me they do for social media. I don't care about title. I say title without money, I don't want it. The people that I've worked for, they can testify to it. My girlfriend carry title, go free of charge. If it makes you happy, carry. I never want the open mouth and say a word. If it make you happy, I say, it make you happy, you say yes. Any title they call, I say, Mona, go give them. Now,
Katia, you say, my belle dey sweet me as God disgrace una o.
they like title. But if you want to do better advertisement, we go put money for your pocket, we go put money for my own pocket, I beg, bring and come for me.
Okay, this one say, let me go and get cup of tea. Fast, okay. Go, Faith, go get cup of coffee, come. Fast. I see dey here. More to play. More na dey share the video.
Understand? Because me, I not come abroad, come paint finger and nails. I not come fish, I not fish shop spaghetti, says use paint, come paint body, come social media say I am the best. No. For this our house, go reach bush meat today because now waiting my husband they be that because he deserve it. For this Netherlands man, we get record, we government never ever support one day, now they give woman and children paper. So he deserve it. He deserve it to enjoy. My husband know they eat spaghetti, patats, adapu. Shebi, I defer talking. Not be today. For social media, I always dey talking. I say, left with me, my food, 2 minutes, I don't come out for kitchen. But when it comes to my husband food, because he work for he. Husband, when no work.
Joyce, you say people make una come see Monica. Monica say Lolo and her family and her husband say na pasta in the morning, pasta in the afternoon, pasta in the evening, also pasta na they eat. But Monica and the husband they eat bushmeat.
For your husband when they receive €900. But I make mama kekere kaute there, I got setia. So today,
Lovette, go take one drink. Go take one drink when you come. Go take one
drink. No more indirect. You know me. I go straight to the point because as you see me, I got nothing to. I don't have no shame. I've said it. When you hear my story, you go even get straight more. You go love me. Not be say, nah, go come. So, they don't say where they look. They will not see, oh, Ezore. I don't get what I do. Even God daughter insult me. I know verse put. I know verse. Now she's a she be na social media people. They do and make the tape popular. Okay now. I know verse. Now you betray me. Now you do everything. Now you still the verse.
Yes, Esther Imade. Yes, there is nothing like best friend, and I don't believe that best friend. Okay, yes, there's nothing like best friend. That is true. Okay, Monica, why you dey always call Lolo name for any video when you dey do, but Lolo no dey call your name? Okay, this one say what time Monica wetin abi what time Monica make una dey disgrace una sef? Okay, Monica too dey lie. Okay, this one say Monica na reply bad friend to dey talk una secret. I don't understand. Monica na really bad friends to dey talk una secret. Okay, this one say there is God, Monica. Okay, let's continue.
I say wugiro totoye wugisokwe vesi na rena me my own blessing where God they bless me back and front. Children, even God, my God, oh God, person where sabi batting not good though. Even God his children school at their house like this. Let her come. Our children they go secondary school. Let her come at boss. I open her. Your daughter is going to so school.
Okay, this one say we must hear una secret. Oh, yes, we are waiting. The secret is loading. Also, when so get my queen, I must greet you, Mama. You say she is very correct. Okay, I don't come back. Wait, they say it dey happen to two snake. Okay, Monica and Lolo. Una dey mad. Abeg o. Monica na evil. Okay.
Son is going to social school. I say, Now, wow, see school where they carry my children, they go, hey, Abba, give me 5. Oh, I trust you, better get. Jabba, give me 5. Oh, my son, I carry a telephone. No more, if you get person, that's what you're supposed to do. My girlfriend,
Okay, this one say there is no peace for the evil. Okay, there's no peace for the wicked ones. Okay, that is true. This one say Monica. Okay, Monica and Lolo. Okay.
I they don't write letter. My children see school where they go. Now me know they even do ask work with them because I don't need to do ask work with them. My children no book, no be small thing. They even Monica will be small girl. She be leader for their class. They no book because Papa braid it, no Mama braid it, no. No be English where
Mona no vessel. As I dey read the comments, they go small. I go still pause the video. So this one say, there are fools. Okay, they are fools. Okay, or they are fooling themselves. Okay, maybe you make mistake there. So you say make una tell that to who know you, Monica. Okay, Collins, you say why e can't be like say na our custom. I call you now. Hello.
For be.
Wa to ye o sa so wege.
Wa for be.
Talk be ye.
Wa go me ka giene.
Ose na gie, o wa se na gie.
Agbogbo e ba mi duebo. Agbogbo no e mi duebo bi e wo me. Agbogbo e mi duebo. Egbe no mo e, eri egbe mo e.
Tugudugudu.
Egbe no mo e, eri egbe mo e. Aga te ìpín agele rajo wa.
Egbe no mo e, eri egbe mo e. Tugudugudu.
Egbe no mo e, eri egbe mo e. Aga te ìpín agele rajo wa.
Egbe no mo e, eri egbe mo e. Tugudugudu.
Egbe ga wo. Egbe ga we no loke. Egbe ga wo. Ibi to nzo mo. Egbe gi se de wo oke na la. Egbe ga wo. Egbe ga wo no loke. Egbe ga wo. Egbe ga wo. Ibi to ne wa gire. Egbe ga wo no loke. Egbe ga wo. Egbe gi se de wo oke na la. Egbe ga wo. Egbe ga wo no loke. Egbe ga wo. Isan fi medo edigwe na peme o ma noga nyako egi zede dami ho noga yame no kuya noge do funi lo yo wari se o
wa to pe ye
o ye nu waga ube o gbe aya bi turi abi no obi bi o wa obi e
ya wa
o daga iga tenene me be kwetiota iyari ere ku bakege ya morunye no mama ya ihe hu na me first and last love no go for like that so why you go do this one why you no go do this one ekuni mi ma sanere ta ohun wa ko leri awo boji imeye ke ma sanata ohun wa do si me baba na we ni ani ke ije le wa ari ke wo no se me ari ko devo di na tave me na di ivi e do ne wa gire ke ka bo dame wa ka mi me so no wa no o ma ata mo wa we ge de no se we no emi no we ma dege o ma be si be dege no ma be ma dege we si be dege o e ma gun na o sa lo gwa die ma re no be do ya re ma ya awo wa ti wa to ka wa ye ko gun wa si mo pe awo innocent o ya no to kaginya no mame me kwa no wa wa ga ya zo be yin be obe ogala wa gbe obe wa wu wa yo boye me de sure obe ogala wa gbe obe o wa e da ye fi mu gbo he obe ogala wa gbe obe wa wu wa yo boye me de sure obe ogala wa gbe obe ma de re ni wa ko de na ime ya do ka mi ya we o to o mi we no mi kiri no. Ido bwele go ni si ya we tu bamba. Wena we di ki repete pa ya we de mere be de ki apebe. Di mere repete pa ba be do so bo be ku we ku ni mi ya no fa lo be no be odoze du na le o. Mana ma pisma. Wele na we ni ya we ma je ya like ke na na asi mo to. Eke na afemu. That's why we see na cost of Abania. I mean, look me at it. Then when I see my photo, now when me 1 million view.
Only okay.
Only 1 million view. Where I tell us, I know where me ya where wake ni daladia. Walking about here. Let some money when in Nigeria or now do where he do no mess your mother. Are na sana ni me pesa mo pa mo ko we o sere we bonus ya piki wetin me ko ya.
Only okay.
Na ya sunu skede la de ma ni de gunya fasma. Na sunu skede la de me ni le lolo na tina. O wa ye Monica Goku back there all those kind of things. In there were many people lack of wisdom. Here by no wa be mi kuru gunya. Best where the meal while Labian, why yeah, go back with your tarot, go all the time. I may see a panary, a secret, a mad look for the years in the relationship, a secret way one way one. What are you making friends for when you know you don't know the meaning of in and out of how to keep friendship? Why are you making friends? When you don't even know in and out of friendship, I say then I feel, and I say no, a first and last love, you know. A Monica, I was video better than it. If we assume we have to I could remember where Lolo, call Monica, you were the issue. And secondly, a Monica, a Lolo, a Monica, the same thing. No, only a Monica, I will say, I will the 60 years, Banner. A Lolo may go the issue where none ever do I work.
Ave follow us a Monica so or push a Monica, the Monica now do because you also send a video. Also send a video to Monica. In your push Monica now.
As far as no one or almost of Virginia. When you are innocent, so no matter who you are,
okay, Mama Mudia, on our way, Mama Mudia, Toby. Mama, Toby John, you say Lolo don't talk. Send me that video when Lolo talk. Toby John, send me the video now. Send me the video now. My WhatsApp number is +39 35 11 20 42 09. My WhatsApp number. Me a pin here. Send that for my WhatsApp now.
God bless you. That's why I fly now. Wama video. Eriawa ya gbiyan se o se ni amana mo go like o ta we ni ga go we ru dem ata ni no ta me ma send yan expect ota oni siyan this is just the beginning and even no be ya sunu ma no go bi yan se o kan awu yan mi no bi yan se yan we be na asie mo yan mi me do be yan gbe yan ju pe Eriawa no ibude here wa do ta be expect ota we na iwan ni so ban o ma be minutes no bu. When you are be careful, you have to stay away from people's issues. I read the authority, never marry a denima, yakele webo. Ne the more video where you like bet your fa. You have to bring a meadow, a meadow here, you have to still a yakoto. As far as me is concerned, he may have a cost, but he may time up what Yaleruno. Emani, no market will respect your fa. To slow. And the real every day, what's your mother? A meadow, what's your cotton? A meadow, what's your cotton? A meadow, what's your cotton? Well, the Ghanaian Amani can't picture of the last year. Or go to women, your fast and baby video. Where women for that, almost as well. Or what women that our baby could all those kind of things. No, that's the abominable acting. ọwọ́ nke bisi ni ya kọ na-egbu ya ihe wegbu ya ya na egbu ya na ewu ihe a bejere egbu ya bụ eme mmụ eme ha bụ edu edabi ya and eri ogele aje emi na ma kọba gbona ọrụ ọfụ egbe
Well, say yeah, you continue the video, this thing no women.
Mother is not even intelligent. Where children want carry brain for aggressive, fighting, fight every day for school. My children are not like that. I know they follow the. Now they hear one day say I did live video. They will just call me and say, they come. My pikin don't they fight for school because wetin mama gets, now they give pikin. Papa no they smoke, mama no they smoke, but children they make gaga. Wetin be the problem? I don't know. Say if your heart is dark, God is going to make your life miserable. Social media happiness is not happiness. When you are not happy inside your body, you will become miserable. You will become miserable. Academically, you are not happy with your children. Academically, you are not fair. Now, so you can't say, go. Teacher, I don't like school when I put my pikin. Una must change them. Hey, God. Everything Monica go there as favor go they fall on top of her. My girlfriend things when me they get free of charge. She go they lock book by jaw. You know still they reach her hand. My girlfriend, you for tell me say they vex you. I for not they tell you again. Now you they talk say I want hear everything. That's why they tell you. I think say they build you. I don't know say they kill you they go. I don't know. When I tell her say their house, they bring children in school. Paper, he say, hey, which school did they go? What did they get? Now I tell them, I call they happy. I say many parents that they go follow teacher, they fight. Say, put my children for this school. Why you put them for this? I say, see me. I say, see me, oh. Me, I don't even call teacher. I don't even ask them. I just say, I beg, my children wanna do well for school. Anyone where they put on now, they be say, now what you do? I don't get time to go follow teacher at the school. I say, I don't get that time. Jabba do well. Abba do well. I give them high five because when mother heart is clean, why won't my children excel? When they are going to do exam, I give them high five, guys, because I know you're going to come out with fly color. I will say like Papa and like Mama. Now, so where they go, these children pass. They put them for better school by themselves. I don't need to go lobby. Do you know my girlfriend dress up? He go. Where you they go? He say, I don't like the school where teacher put my pikin. God forbid. Like I see, but now what did he get? He said no. He not agree. Hey, God, make I ain't back for the me yet baby Miriam now. Me mind. Real pretender go pretend to hear that thing, but you know say they kill you. Why you go they pretend they ask question? Me now, he wataleya. Now some me just talk. I say, so that they go meet teacher. He say yes now. He go meet teacher. Really go the teacher tell and say no. He said never. This school they go sansana. That teacher say okay, no problem. Carry they go. My go na question pikin. On a dit how you know. On a yo mume. Why you mume so who wear the right thing? Cause you wanna wear the right thing. I'm going to be bami. I'm going to who no be me na ya no so. Just boy my son. Please open your phone for me. Open it for me, my son, please.
And we move man. I'm riba we move man. If my young women we riba. We told in your egbe.
I'm blocking children from my phone. I don't know.
We no way. If me de buy Monica, he de buy Lolo. Ni de buy Ruya. He ever Ivo yan him.
He go because I'm away your door. I down your door. Niece.
The both of you are evil. Okay. Evil whatever evil. Undawa him. No matter whatever. Enye whatever him. Enye. Or whatever him. I'm not supporting anyone. The both of them are the same.
Show na something, oh. Me show na something.
But Mama said, "Be, opa whatever here. I don't know whatever. I want whatever more."
Me show na something, oh. My people make una see.
Awan waiva,
He go use agbada go put pikin for school. Now so fight the pikin, they fight them for school. You go there frustrated. If you tell that pikin say, you don't know something, go say, I know. Mama say I know something. Mama say, he will not by force. Not by force, they say they know something. I beg my sister, this abroad where we there so. No pikin will not go better. Leave your pikin, may he enter any level. God go bless her. Not go put her for where go there frustrated. He can't pikin. He frustrates her. That is one. Every day. Fight. 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 Jesus. He was money. Been a year. Esco ya been always been another day proud. Always been another day proud. Don't I say the he with Jesus. Now we tell Baba ne Baba mi obi we fan. Je boy no be me. La wo. La o. Magbina. I like video where Papa where they smoke. Mama where they smoke. He with Jesus. No they talk that to you. Because Papa they smoke for our house. My children, my husband never one day did they even spoil the car, they even tell themselves.
That means Monica and her husband, they are two, they smoke. Monica, hey, that's why I talk. Now make Monica and her husband fit stay together till today. Because if her husband tired is something where they tie, if he smoke, he go still pass give Monica. You understand? If Monica smoke, he go still pass give her husband. That means they are two feel. You understand how go big be. Near man meti egui. Una secret go come out. Una go use una mouth. Waya ka. Unu waya ka. Waya to. Eke nu wa vie wa do time ma be social media. Wa eva we Monica. A lot of Monica. Because wa ugbe. Wa moto ne do gboto gbe. Wa wo ko gbe. Wa mwe mani bu gboto gbe ne. Eko e give dogi gwan. If you do on social media, on social media, you do Monica, Monica we lolo, Monica we lolo. Iga atena we wagi so, wagbi bieri, ove ala nyagbe, ove e fanu motien o de kwenya, o ma de kwenya nenia, o ma de gbenya nenia,
That's what the king. Who's calling me?
O de gbenya nenia.
Oh, because no delete me ya no ya every year my done. So fight every day. Fight. Because Pikin is frustrated when my mother use competition. Go put him for where he leg and hand nourish. Assignment. If I say me, I read them for you now. Pikin go dey cry. I have a lot of assignment. I'm going crazy. He will help Salo, but this one is stress. Now stress. I don't use by force. They put my children for the level of school where they did. They wrote letter. They wrote us letter because they qualify for it. Who is living the fake life? And who is struggling to live?
Ami aron pa no ha mu Monica we lolo. Ami aron pa ya han ita ya we last ka check up en wa ye ke ko me men wa ye ke ko o ma fe gbo wa nenia. Why mo beare, why mo egboto be social media, why mo kore, why mo egboto be social media, why be o ge we mi be anana okpo ma no o ho na okpo ma no e be ro nu wa gbe no rieko wa gbe no kekode e Monica na keke lolo o ha egin ari yiku nia o ha egin ari yiku e Monica ye na kira we de ora ale ehia Monica e lolo no ro nia oni ma ye wa sis no ya re webo Rude social media rudigo social media abi ati wa mommy abi ati wa mama leko ake mama re wa gboliko se wa gbon ami aron pa no ha mu wa ami aron pa no wa gugun ami aron pa no wa gugun
Iye gbe ya tolo me ga weni me tolo when me tolo when me tolo oh je na refi why surprise with Jesus any no wa the television oh sunu I think wa to wa dege ene mama gui o iri akpon mama gui eni no sezo lugan sorry keka the next thing oh behave now what sunu wo isunu na iri akpon iri ugwe wo sunu I no go talk me oh where you get no not knowing na just my blessing where I dey sit down for I just get that I drive me for Facebook I go YouTube una blessing follow me go there igbofo na dey swing they drive me for Facebook for Facebook if I play recording for una go surprise if I play recording for una wetin happen word wey tell me if I play recording for una go surprise.
Play the record with the wait. We dey here to listen to the record.
I know, please. I know. Thank you all. I really appreciate you all. But I think God have a way in humbling some people.
All these people when they call Monica so, when Monica they say thank you all. When they touch Monica so, do this melody. They go now they still they come go they tell Lolo say, see what Monica talk. Does he carry Monica or she tell Lolo say, see what Lolo talk? I don't understand. And tomorrow they go they say, mommy, mama, EJ, for a old woman or a old man to they call you small pikin mommy, to they call you small pikin EJ, you know say something is wrong somewhere. You know that small pikin they disgrace you, that small pikin they fool you. But they go see they happy, they go see they raise hand there, or EJ, person when you see, person when you know the way they're born is a disgrace. Monica and Lolo, they are disgraced on social media, and they are the problem on social media. Kekebe baba no vero, imani rioni yo, because of my can't even Nigeria. Because of social media money. Because of social media money, when I disgrace on ourselves, they disgrace on our family. Monica and Lolo, when I disgrace on ourselves. More places.
I said the time without number. I'm not joking. I want her to prove me if I have secret, if I'm living real fake life. Why are we deceiving each other? Is this the reason she has been jealousing me? Now I can really say it's jealousy. Now number one, just talk, so he go talk many because my life I'm full of blessing. It's so comfortable. Where she they follow, where they go wake up for hospital every now then. That no say now terrible problem. Let me they fall like they do jakuja.
You the hear, huh? You the hear and say everything now. Monica don't they reveal all the secret. This is why I talk say me as I did so. If I marry tomorrow, my friend is my wife. My best friend will be my wife. My best friend will be my children. My best friend will be my wife. I don't want to get friend. I don't want to get. If we just speak for outside, hey, ciao, hey, good morning, hey, good afternoon, bastard. Not come my house. I don't go your house. Not call me for phone. I don't go call you for phone. My wife and my children, they are okay for me. My people, let your wife and your children be your best friend. Never you make friend with anybody because friend not there. Friend no dey. Friend will be say una two go dey. If una dey do something as una dey play, they go dey record you. They go dey record you. They go dey record you. The day una go call it, they come pour on them for outside. Maybe na wetin you take joke, but they come pour on them for outside. Make people hear. They come pour on them for outside. Make people for hear. Huh? Which kind of friend? Which kind of friendship be that? Which kind of friendship be that? There's one why we are going now. Monica ve lolo ne na for unuwana. There's one why going now. There's one why going now.
Let people like Apricot. They call like
Apricot. There's one why going now.
Going out this morning.
Imagine why going now. And me for Monica. And me for Monica. And me for Lolo. Then Lolo no me my mio get on we send the gume do biano do ku ne mai. You tell you WhatsApp ba me yema na pin yema na no make na send the gume. O mai send there.
Me when me tolo. Oh, je vais na refi, ouais, surprise, with Jesus. Any no wadege the television, oh, so no. I think what to put wadege in it. Mama Gui or Iliakon. Mama Gui. And no says on Lugan. Sorry, Keka. The next thing, oh, behave now. What's so no? What is so no now? If you are bonny, you go, what's so no? I not go talk me. Oh, where you get no? Not knowing that just my blessing. Blessing where I dey sit down for I just get. That I drive me for Facebook, I go YouTube. Una blessing, follow me, go there. Igbofona dey swing. They drive me for Facebook for Facebook. If I play recording for una go surprise. If I play recording for una, wetin happen? God wey tell me. If I play recording for una go surprise. My lady, I know, please. I know, thank you all. I really appreciate you all. But I think God have a way in humbling some people. My lady, I said the time without number. I'm not joking. I want her to prove me if I have secret, if I'm living real fake life. Why are we deceiving each other? If this is the reason she has been jealousing me, now I can really say it's jealousy. Now, number one, you just talk, so you go talk many. Because my life, I'm full of blessing. It's so comfortable. Where she they follow, where they go wake up for hospital, every now and then. They don't know, say now, terrible problem. Let me they fall like they do jaku. Or say no sick for now. He reach jealousy, say, no Hana, and then now every day they introduce them to a person where they made now God. I go telephone, I go come my friend, say, come, join me in prayer. The one where I go pray for, I go pass the one where I go pray for my own household. I go pray for, I go, they accept her. I don't pray for you, finish, Nana. If I said this, my darling, this is the way you want to do so. Make me I join you fasting and prayer. Me when not get problem, I go dey fast and pray.
Diamond, you say oga check your message at the video of Lolo dey there. I not see am. Abeg send am for me for WhatsApp, because if you send am for this phone, now they do live video. So if you say me I check am, the video go cut. If you say me I check am, the video go cut. So send am for me for WhatsApp. See my WhatsApp number 9 day here. So you understand? Diamond, Jasper. Abeg send am for me for my WhatsApp. Send am for me for my WhatsApp now. Abeg, may I for still play Lolo on? More for still here. Abeg.
For her. Now that morning, then she go wake up and I said, where you there? I got my daughter, I got your children for school. I said, but I tell you, say with the fast today. I don't fast my own for middle of the night. I said, okay, no worry, I'll fast 2 or 4. So join her. You said, God, not they see your heart. Me go really there, I go they fast for 2 or 4, I go they pray for 2 or 4, I go they pray for our husband in the foreign land. No, say, you get back belly for my husband. Not be me say, you marry a Igbo man, when no they let you see money for her.
Monica, if you are really a Christian, wetin you dey do, you for not dey do am. Bringing innocent persons down, you for not dey do am. All those nonsense wey you dey do, you for not dey do am. You and Lolo. If really Jew people are Christians, see you, they just see they lead down, they pray. Na God now you they pray for. You and Lolo. The winch one a chop now go kill the 2 of you now.
Everybody marry you. Your own is your best. My own is my best. Which one can be all this rubbish? My husband, all they introduce her to person. Everybody when they need that, when know me, know they know who we be.
Another call again. No, let us finish this video. Hello, man.
Hello, Prof. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You for just wait small. The video go soon finish.
I didn't watch. Okay. I didn't watch the program. Maybe I go.
If you
And they
finish
watch
now,
the program. Make them go
I go
start
ask
to
for
the beg
call.
or John Saige for forgiveness.
Okay.
They should go and beg. If they feel beg or John Saige for all the rubbish, when you say the rubbish and everything, they'll be for it will be well with both of them. They should go and start. May they go beg that young man. Then may they call people go forgive them.
That is true.
That is the only thing that happens. All these and these people matter not be your kind of topic.
No.
So just leave them, let them
Not be
rubbish
my
themselves. But
hello, man.
let them
Not
go
be
beg
my kind of
forgive them.
topic. Not be my topic at all. I know yours day for this one today because I get other topics to talk about. But the things when they don't to do, and they bring innocent persons down. And they take bring my boss, my brother, about John Osage enemy down.
They should
His
go and
wife,
beg.
his
They should
family,
go and beg
everything.
Odio Osaige. When they beg Odio Osaige, me wholeheartedly, I will leave down and pray for them.
Okay.
That is just the only thing. No other thing. If they beg that, if they come out, they beg that young, every other person where they offend, he will forgive them. That is all.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Okay, bros.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Bye-bye.
Okay, man. So let's finish the video.
That's the way I do good for na go kill am. If na bad thing na I do, come meet una see una dey eat for ground. Husband head no even correct that time sef. Obiere ona to bibi go. Monica come and show una way. If na
Monica say Lolo husband head not correct. Say he head bend. Say na he come be pastor wey come pray. Lolo, this alo boy, all by yagbe. Mona, let us finish this thing, the video first. You go reach all of una hand. Call. If time of call, this I go tell una. Oh, hello, caller. Hello, man.
Bro, good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma. Lawo woye, my lady. Wa muda ni wa finish the video nen. Ake so receive a call. Lawo woye.
Abeg, may I quick contribute my own? You go finish am.
Okay, contribute.
Bros, abeg, good afternoon. God go bless you. Hello, bros.
Amen, ma. I dey hear you, man.
God go bless you. Mona leave Monica and Lolo make them confess. Na John Osage papa head, na they draw all of them, they run ground. Monica, they say he don't do this, God don't do that one. God don't do anything for her. Now he ate all of us they wait for. Monica and Lolo, they must come up on social media, come beg John Osage. If they not do one, they can never have peace for their life. This is just the beginning of two of them because the two do. The two do Monica and Lolo. And then we are like they. They must come and go beg Dion. If they not beg Dion, peace, they not go see peace. Two of them, Monica and Lolo. We there here, all of us there the social media they look there. Then we see as they go take end. Monica will go crazy. If they happen to say YouTube, they pay her. Now, crazy go crazy at last. Then I have to get to Yakoto, ya temu. And then I hear Monica and Bore. That's why I see rich from inside, bro.
Problem here, where see? Okay, let's finish the video, please. Please, no call.
God and everybody tonight, they go judge me and you. But if friends see way, you show your friend, go better. If not be like that, God dey. Thank you, my lady. There is no way person go dey do good for you. I go even they put you in my prayer, they join, they pray for you. Every day, I dream. You were dreaming now, odo bungbe. Family problem. That's why I cannot them.
A Monica now want to feel pastor.
For mama side, I do them like that. Cannot them for her. Now where they don't feel give you life, maybe they see. Now you want to beat me put. 17 years in abroad where your mother family take sit down for your head. No native doctor, no pastor deliver you. Monica. Let me use my name to deliver you.
That means na Monica give Lolo the winch when Lolo come chop. I na Lolo give Monica winch because the way when Monica take dey talk now, he say for 17 years when Lolo family take sit down for Lolo head, no pastor, no native doctor fit deliver Lolo, but when he come now, he come deliver Lolo. You understand? But in one come say now with his knees, with prayer, and take deliver Lolo. Mona dey tell us the truth. Una fair confess that time say una be winch. Mona still talk and so una still be winch. Oh, why you salo boy me? Why you agbe yo gbere? Ah, more finish the video, guys.
And they talk for social media, say my prayer. I know they pray again. I don't feel do all my prayer finish. Now thank you, I dey give my God. Because of my girlfriend, I'll put me for granted. Girl, wake up in the morning and start to they pray, they fast, they pray for our own life. Who don't know where they bring and come from? Who don't know where they bring and come from? God go judge all of you now. It's finished. Why are even they talk safe? That's the way you give Evarie. You are going back again where you are coming from. You are going back. You will not see it now, but mark it. You are going back again. You are going back again. Me, when I do something, I do like this. Splash! My attachment with you, I withdraw it. Walk out though, because this one a battle. Just walk out. Make sure. Secret, open, everywhere. Say you the walk out. Walk out, where? You and your husband, wanna walk out now. Where? Wanna tell show. Not be ordinary UK holiday. Where it Joe? What try and what they Africa? What try? What walk out? Walk. Say hey. Say anything. Say label. Make sure say you meet up because Monica. Me pa me na when me is green na me where e ma wa get see me come and see no. When none of one na when me pa ne. We are question we 10 years time where you me because we are by you oh here me jealous ka check up. I will be back, my people. I will be back. Don't they cry down when they can enter. Don't they cry? No cry, wait. Now you start on. Me, I want to use it direct. No, say now be Monica for social media. And they use it direct. Anybody now direct. Except say I not get your time. All the video I've been making, I always they talk on. Mona not use it direct. Mona take the message with the inside. If I want direct message, I go direct on. Ebwede, wala don't be talk me. E want to wait. Jealousy is bad, my people. So a friend that be with me, just jealousy. I thought it was something else. I've been waiting for this day to come.
Okay.
I want to know, what did I do? What did I do wrong? The blessing of God in my life. I got a endorsement and it was rich. She knew. Millions. Oh no, what take it no. When your endorsement come, I tell my girlfriend, why you want carry on? Or what ambassador? Ambassador, that's okay. Memo, even in the yao. Iho mana lele, even in the yao. When my endorsement come, until today, I never even had that join my name. But she, when no, they died, they go. They died, they go.
Brode amwe ambassador ne John Osage. Oh yana yahuloye ambassador. And Monica still talk one thing. Say it don't take when they wait for this day. He say it don't take when she they wait for this day. That means Monica, you knew what we are doing. You knew what we are doing. Don't take when they wait for this day. Berewe ayema ya nwa muria unwiya otogbu wana. Me as well this sister don't send us that video. That lolo me as that she don't send us the lolo video. I don't see any of the lolo video here. Who say one send lolo video? I don't see lolo video. I don't see lolo video here. Who they send us the lolo video? I don't see am. So my people, if you want call now, you fit call. May you talk for this matter. You understand one thing when I see for all these things, this is just the beginning. There is no hiding place for the wicked. Until una go confess, una come begin to beg people who una offend. Una come begin to beg my own brother, Ambassador John Osage, Skimiyak, Destiny Bagwa, Patanju, all God sent family and all God sent supporter, everybody will now offend. Or till now beg, now go put my 2 knees down, now go beg. Even my lovely sister, my lovely mommy, you when be say, if they help, they go up and down. Responsibility child, Mary Tessie, all of them, una don't offend, una must come beg them. Vanessa, una will come beg all of them una don't offend. All the God sent supporters and God sent followers, una will come beg them. Una will come beg them, if not, we may peace with Ariana, we may peace with Adegbere. This is just the beginning of una downfall, as I have said before. It's just the beginning of una downfall. Because when I say I met you push you why dey mudia wa ugagbe. Nah. Una even go precious men gas, una go eat, una eat finish, una come show me that they laugh down and say use peace, use cheat, take cook for una. I will go and know what I say. I will go and know what I say. I take no what I say. But who wanna do kin, who agi agbe man who I say. E man no maka wa kan. Wana muya gbotoru dey be way Monica they get 2,000 viewers, if they get 10,000 viewers, Lolo they get 20,000 viewers, Lolo they get 1,000 viewers. Wana muya gbotor. I know how many cases they don't bring come for me. If the person call me like this time, he say, see what my woman do me, see what my husband do me. I say, okay, no vessel, give me your husband number or give me your wife number. I go call the woman, I go call the man because all gwezo, egwe no yari abe, egwe no ya uho, no yari ase, oh gagwi, no yari abe no ro, egwe. When I call the person say, see what your woman tell me, how it happen, that one can't talk in your own side of the story. See what your husband tell me, how it happen, that one can't talk in your own, you can't talk in your own side of the story. Like the one when I said to finish here that day now. When be say one guy call me, tell me say he girlfriend. That's what girlfriend they do. That's what girlfriend they follow boys. They do this, they do that. That's why I say okay, no worry. Before I go bring the matter, come up for social media. Give me your girlfriend number. The guy give me the girlfriend number. I call the girlfriend. See what your guy talk. The girlfriend one come tell me say the guy they insult pikin when he don't fair born. Now so the guy they insult his own family. He go they insult our family. Man will never put on for house. If they insult her family, if they insult pikin when he fell born for another man. Now say, this guy not tell me all those things. This boy not tell me all those things. Do you understand? So I can't get to call this side, put them on conference call, settle the both of them. The girl say no, say she know they go back to this guy again. Because person when go fit open mouth, cause the pikin when he fell born for another person, cause his own family, he not fit go back to that kind of person again. But Monica and Lolo, they're not even they investigate. Because that person paid them 50 euro, because that person paid them 100 euro, they'll just come out, shine your shine, last cash check up, hey boy, they carry person, nick picture, put for live video. If they're not fit do one for their real account, they'll go pass fake account, take do one. Monica and Lolo, they go bring people down. Akpenu wana me I want okpenu wa I be say maybe una friendship no go ever fit scatter again. Because when we say if Monica dey live video, Lolo go dey talk, he go dey talk, my friend is calling. If Lolo dey live video, Monica go dey talk, my friend is calling. I be say maybe una two no go fit quarrel again. I be say that person, that lady daughter, that pastor wey gum the two of them together. I be say he turn and say if una quarrel, the two of una go die. I don't know say nothing like that. Wagena ama efie kpania ari egbiwene. That is why they laugh people when they say my friend. Who be your friend? It's only your family. It's only your wife, your husband, your children. They are your family. Not be the wayward husband so. Not be the wayward wife for when they say something happen. They go rush, carry and can't give presenter. Not be the wayward husband when they say something happen. They can't carry your naked piece, can't they post up and down, or can't they give presenter up and down. Not be those ones at the talk. Responsible husband, responsible wife. Those are your best friends. Even me when they talk, so don't take me as your best friend. Because tomorrow I can betray you. Tomorrow you can betray me. That is just the truth. Who go talk say as Monica and Lolo play rich? Say they are two. Where's that phone for the ring? Hello, caller.
Hello, my brother.
I greet you.
I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning. I did live video.
No.
We dey hear you.
My brother, when I was telling Monica, you die prepare no go to Nadu. I can know you know any of what talk.
Okay.
Okay. When you don't know, no, you feel well at not the me or any. So I'm a kind of one with it in my hand. For him, no, I'm the bank one.
Monica pa keke be ne lolo. Ukpo bian ne lolo yen eva.
Monica pa ya va he. Abba pa ya fi ya ho. Monica pa is the one ya. Of you work out on it on na na one ya lu ni so so le ni na ya.
O se fa yin agbe na ni a.
Na. You man la down here said do. Every 1 minute was said do. So you work out and do bonnie like minute. How can you just see people? No, nothing you're doing. One was me at Koto. I need back where you are. And you're gonna say you the Daron Pan way. Just a bag where we tell the Daron Pan where you are never put on one of the social media.
Ero.
So, Osaruba boy, now I'm with you. Even we are time my agina. The other way I comfort and the other way
Okay. Okay, where's your baba? We'll talk better. Okay. Ubege. Onasha anata we wage mi u. Why give you as you push you off? You can not push you off. Why give YouTube be push you off? Fake no market cannot push you off. Or you begin not a large vegani. Or me blog akba. You know the way, you know, send him a bay here when you feel you got pay every month. But give me niaga, who give me niaga, near cause saga, near table, near my botoni, I wanna. Niuro. Ima wapa ma we vavo. But I have a blog in here. Oze we have Monica keke vaviani. In yana do zifuen. Have a blog ani or training because you go near ari ni ya. Odo ya ona do wo yin agbe. Ona do wo yin agbe. Osi yema age wa soma. Iya mo ya mo gbotok mi ya. Iya mo pa ya mo gbotok mi ya. Iya ve yere we aye we bowo wa. O woma iduwe o woma. Aye we bowo wa. Aye we bowo wa, my people. Edenahwe ma ya fefe ma ye yo wa. Edenahwe ma ya fefe ma ye yo tene doni. What shall it profit a man if you gain the whole world and loses your soul? What shall it profit you? That is why he gave me so but he meti no man o maneme he so very oni wa meti aye but o masiko wa o megbe wa meti we yo bone. You are still a poor man, you are still a poor woman. Oye mi ni kama ma vederio ina we me iye osaba me waje won bo severi oni but ina ve he na mi wa ne be me ikere ni ve me ni veri ene but we me we meti we yo boni no ma no sikewe oni o si e me so we yo bono bia na ya o bia we yo bono kwo iye do aso social media no o we yo bono bia we yo bono kwo o mari we ba kwo e we no salobo wa forget. We we attack yan we o bi ani ma we gba aro o ko ma we gba aro iwi yo bone at the end of marry me. Give the glory to God. Josalo ba bonye and we do aka who don't get social media presenter I saw this boy shop my money, I saw this woman shop my money. No, everything you do for God. Oh, ye we fine. I'm a very we be see I know here. E ma gbona na gbelegbe wayi ero because na o na wala yi were ba. Umo wa o, ume moto o, ume ego o, ume miro ba owu jere. Nu wa eye ko we ni o lele we ri o wa. Eri me ya bonyo gi me. Eri me ya temi me. Ni me wa eye gbe ni wa eye ko me ni o lele me ri o wa. You understand? So wage age mi u ye bo me. E Monica me lolo ni a ge fa e fa na motien o de kon yan ni a. E mi opa ne ge ya da me ni a we e hwe mu yan. Akwe ban yan iya be Amerike e pancake yan iya be gbe ya ni a mo e wivon ya mo fi yan be pentu nu iya be do ta ye odawe e television be agwan to via avance man. They are version we are version man. We no way nye o go ye gbi wo be gbe we be ladi we are version man. It's a big disgrace and it's a big shame on them. It's a big shame on them. Oji keke o riekenwa o ya mojenre. Oji keke riekenwa o ya mojenre. Be when I we ojoji o wa vakin. Ojoji wa vakin. Wage age mi u, wage YouTube be push you all like problem. E sovonia, ingare YouTube, ingare Facebook, ingate subscribe to my YouTube. Okay, create ya demo roto. E so agare na YouTube, ingame press thumbs up. E so e wa finya woni sa pru de ige YouTube bi. Wa mo herie na. Vous voyez ni YouTube iri na. Press thumbs up. Mi wa ga bi ko so no waro. Okay, kire ni nwe ke breza sameladian. Iya iwe live video fo, iya ige painting ya von ayo. E so gba yo pe gbe ni. Hello, madam. I'm on a live video.
Okay. Then when you finish, then we will talk, yeah? Later.
You understand? Eso agare ene na. Okay, kere ene re ya kwa mere ya hu. Iya kwa mere ya hu. O wa kere ne bi we iya ware ba ni be ne mi sunu. Imati oni swe ni ma ni bu but ya swe ni akere ni be push yan ni be si owu yan la dan akere e no wa ti yen do polo no re Spain oni agare Facebook be na abi YouTube me subscribe to my YouTube channel unwe ga se pogo kekere no ni wa de mo aroto o come o kwe subscribe to my YouTube ave ta o pa na ta gba ba ave ewe ai na be de mo aroto yi no a. E Gladys Amadi noro oni subscribe to my YouTube wa go igbo ase podo atolowo salo ba iwa wa agi wa wan wa je na jama first noro ke Amadi noro e fake news ma fo obian wa ga le fake news wa ga le rumors ari jagian Ovie Gambia we mi iya we be Nigeria no ovie Senegal we mi iya we do no ono wa enwe ni wodo enyo ka information ezo na sunu be bayi iya ka ho ezo na sunu be Spain iya ka ho e mani re Spain ho o but yen no re iya ni re Germany keke no re Italy iya ho ne ezo na sunu be UK iya ni re Kenya ho ne even no da mi we iya kole no ma oni no ma kole yan adu agun you dig YouTube. E sobo odafinya ogi mwe camera dayan. Odafinya ogi mwe camera dayan sobo. Hello Kola.
O bana ko zeje.
O mommy.
O kara ko. Tala ko anu gi ho. E gogo abagbon tala ko. Kara nyanya are le gbe ma oko.
Ogi yan to agbe.
Kara ko.
Ogi ya tu agbe.
Ihe ya amato mi eregbe. Ese posalokwa ni rekete. Harakwa nyanya.
E brother man oro ni ya. Oni okay family business. Nyeba wo kan. O wa do oni. Eh no why no oro ni ya. Yo salo bo ame.
Ekula poti wekala.
Yo salo bo ame. Iya ma egbin ya. Ya he egbin ya ni ya.
Na wo fo ni mo pa. Ekula poti no ro weka.
La wo sa wo me do we. E yo get you me because o mu me.
Ekula poti ati e ni awe ma he. Iya mo ni o we nene na. Ekula poti. Ekula 55 jare.
Okay.
Ekula 55 is a fool forever. Eyan ti e o. When I'm our happy to you, family of any ati. I the name of a winner and no Biapa Biokoyo Economia. I want dress in Ladia, Western Trono. I want one now, man, hang my dress in the social media, not the Western Trono. May I wear gallant in Ladia, I work when it's a Trono. You know, follow boy. What they take him out the wise is if you don't know what the rest of me, respect your app. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni wà yá sí ẹ̀dọ́ kọ̀tọ̀ òsàlọ́gbà fi ẹja búgbà ní kàwé fi ẹja búgbà wà ahọ́n mọ́ ẹ̀bùrún. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni wà yá sí ẹ̀mẹ́dọ́ kọ̀tọ̀ bẹ̀wé dọ́nà. Ààrẹ dọ̀nà ṣe yá sí ti wà sí ẹ̀rí akọ̀tọ̀. Àwọn ẹ̀bùrún wo sàré ní kàwé fi ẹja búgbà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni wà ọ̀nù wà yá sí ẹ tí wọ́n yàn gàn yóò tọ̀nẹ́dọ̀. Ẹ̀wé bọ́ ẹ tí wọ́n yàn gàn náà kéṣù ẹ̀. Náà ẹni náà máa tún wò tọ̀nẹ́dọ̀ dẹ ẹ̀wé bọ́ náà náà ló sún àtúnyẹ̀. All the name of Unyema Tosiniani. Unyeme no be one yanni. Unyeme no magge, no ria, but no magge where there you are. Where can I help you? Pisma. Where can me men? They know your bow.
Ero, I do for ne o hega so wa. O hega la do.
Metamania. I'll just have a day on it. The whole body, I told you, Orion was the oak. He also go both at him here. Because it's better than Giame. In my area, you know what problem with the other way. I know you for social media, you they bring people down. Oh, my son, no dead. He walking, oh, never no water, no don't know what I'm baby. Iowa. Ianike, Ian, moto, yeah, or that way, Niana Jiku. Or having a labossy. Ian, one when any kazi, Ian, do I want ye sentiku. Oh, what is true, no what is bad. Where go where the body, and I call a question where body boom, where I lay low on the Doni Yakin, Nagale, where the this is a ready and saloni, Yagale, Ale, Kian, Yale. I call the social media waka. I will work by the when I heard that when I was in Nigeria, one of my boys, yeah, Monday.
Okay.
Na protection aya agbe ma ni no do very go dabi. O kama we gwa ma we si ma ji kwa emi nu ki ga ka wo ki.
O be wa be la jana be Spain. Oni ni a wi ma oni yen bie. Omo ya ni yen wa eko ya ni yen wa mu yen wa panu. Oni awa la jana wa vie nwe kwa. Spain ni ke wa be la diana ni a. Spain oni ke wa be la diana. Okpare be run of the region. Oni that wa be ladiana, oni be mani be gbe, ima be hen oni make oni ke be re. Life video oni ime that wa be beg oni na, oni oke be ma be gbe, oni oye bo tien okona. Spain ya wo ye, oye bo tien okona no say o mission ayo wa na do bi o be Germany be mana, no do bi va be Germany. Va tien be ya wo ye ni ya wo e vera. Oye what you are walking, you know, we send the video ni go be I think Nadia abi every money be gbe ogo ni wa we run yin gbe oni wa be papa
whether he came and gbe one the we go na we akale yan also no ni
wa be ge no be region mi na o pa be region mi na yen what that for yin wa be no oni that wa be ladiana I do because video yan
sorry to use this language if we na so we yan why did the power? Why woman never borrow away? Why they are fearing yet? Why they are work? Why I will take a responsibility of work? Take a responsibility of what done with book with me. Okay, so what don't want to look there? What all the time all talk it. Who go and because one in the men are really not be Peladiani. Who go and the home be email. many things when we ma ya we are the job no at the end of the day. If we ma will not take me up yet show. If we ma mama tell only a better mama tell only a better show. If we ma we bona see you. And then say the other one animal o na pay enemy ya. We enemy ya go no me swag eyen gwalo. O ma no give me swag get of you ya say o ma no swag get of you guys go na Uwe look be no me swagi no mambo venu weje e ko ken ga zigo ni o ga zigo ne ba ko we expect we ma ya no jigo do pe ajo pe are yo wa
Rude viewers otene do amu egboto palasima oba talk be ise palasima no aga gbera face palace vegeni ege mana anwa deje face palace ma o hagi ma like gbera ama weta ha ga igbafa ihe wa mwere ya mo
isko ba face palace bodo ere grodi ere na basi ni o meme ke no ala sebo
we are not able back una tell about again ije mewe ekota ohun iwe but ye ere mana ni awe ohun
and the mapping one like social media what the turn the whole place upside down and the mapping here Nigeria are bare ko and the mapping we saga na wajena no magi for na kita bula lagbo no magi for wotode. When this video, you send the video on the WhatsApp paper, but the girl, fire college, Mafia can't remember. Good evening, Daddy. I saw your Disney on social media. I saw your family, you and your family on social media. The rest are RIP. And then in that gelate, the Mafia, you know, you're wearing a ragmana, the egg, your ragmana, where I bear RIP here, me up here. When no you call, you don't know fear for Thomas back one. When no fear call, I took out back one or
ege mana de mommy ideni gunya gwa akere ege mana anwa de botedo ije me o ha ma wo okwo ni o ma ebie ya gio edokpa we agano okwo ni ya gio aye momo gio ma but social media inya hila social media we eri na ma bie e mo mo na ti ya gio ma no a ono si e bia pa bege ni nye wo kan
ni ati huore asema bu gberegbiyan they can never bust it no matter any azeni agaru gberegbiyan se ni ati hu asema ne ma ya jihini no kwe wo gba yo ka mo bogbiyan no ku le ki ame street yo ka mo bogbiyan no ru odugbo ka mo bogbiyan ro de ki ka mo bogbiyan o to ne do the same thing wa ya ku aseni ya ologo
we no sauna ne
ameke no ni e bederi oni iya we ya rikaze ni ajeni me iya gbo magi ya meme iya we ya rikaze ni ajeni azeni ni kaze ni ajeni o je be dina iya If vanire go na be ai me ga kan me ma ba present be ike do la bi do ta ya wa we ma be bi fa na ibe ga tin ya wa we ma be bi fa na e lele adiagun e ko azeni no wa go eni ogwe gbe se yan wa ma o iye bi wa yo to ti fun ore o ma ti we me no ta we ni ga do we ni le ni ja mi ri da ka o we ni ane ni afi we no do si mi ari ke no ri afi do ma de ko wa bo se ba aze gbele yan ba gbon
wo se ye
ma daga na yan je na ji yan ve yan kan ve de yan ve de gbe ya lo pobo ni yan de gbe ya fi follow afi apa ke kan mi yan ni follow yan wa manaru enwe yan aju wa ya du e ki ene gbe yan ju e ti ju wa du e ki ene gbe yan ni yan ho wa
wo se ye
no te mata ma wo be we la video kada wa de na when you 1000 view we no gonna have a topic in Areva bana o do me 5000 view do ara we topic in but they want to see they want to listen whereas e mata no we me o we ta mi yan then ya no ya la yan ho he iyan ri oni ina na wa ni yo re akwele ba no do wa e mo o me gbe mo kwa yan ma ile ba si na but I want it in another saga. So the Alerun saga must continue. Can you imagine? Nonsense. Innocent people ya blogiara ya respectio sari. Innocent people no ma pa mai ba ne we sada ya blogi.
We say ye what talk by.
Oh for egbe.
Now we receive a call we. Iwe eso eso iya so wo iya be ya du kon we. Iya du kon we de no vinha. Ni vinha make na avie. Ni make na la ekpetuge. Do ami subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh hagia ivinha wa gwan we mama I'm hungry. Oh we get out here. Get out here. Rude YouTube money, rude ige Facebook. O mano gile yo boy enwi na. O do mi ege no ya igbi we rude Facebook ya. Mocha mena bi okwo yo wa edeni aga dey. Edeni aga dey no babo kan men we eriogi ave presenter no mana e so bo o ya o ni ma we ro o. Ave so no mana ni mu gboto na. Ederio iwa ko remi me. Because ewe bona hina iwa ko remi me paso wani ya ene e so wo iya yi meti ki feed o mo ye meti ki feed ame rude social media rude atinya mommy atinya daddy atinya padomo iya lere dia iya we video the Facebook iwo we avant ya Instagram otanya re YouTube around 12, around 11, a whole responsible housewife, responsible husband, who Yahweh video around 11, around 12. Again, okay, nu ya lo wo carry bed. Again, okay, nu ya lo da for bed. Why we live video? For what? For what? You saw by any wire. Sabaya mi waya o wala wo because e so iya nehu biegbe ne ekeyan na chat subscribe press the batie me na ni the dollar sign press the dollar sign ya yetin ya ta enwa feeling ya wo ni sa pro pra why look here we be se me ewebo esememe because all to amuwagbe ona to amuwagbe gbe disgrace na no dekun a lot of money kana o have dekun wa sowo gbe disgrace na no dekun yana o have dekun wa sowo because emeso watanya we uma we saga uma tiebo no ma uma so eni ona umi viewer veni meje iru de viewer nido moma gboto o nido we mi no mama hu nido ba mo la be mi na nido ata e sowo e mi no ba de sunu e mi no sunu 10 years ago e mi no sunu 5 years ago e mi no sunu 20 years ago e mi no sunu ba de ebian rudinya ha mi viewer be YouTube iya do mo the story ladian na so this one your happen na so the other one your happen na so the man yours do na so the woman yours do na so this happen na so the other one happen. We are Yahweh research a story ni o mare de open a story ni sunu then na ko panya be tie true dream what we ni true dream with lady gold ability K maybe that here we wa be say YouTube oni go wa be fun e den how Iran ni soni be there oni anado be mi ni jeru pon gbe ba e den ara oni se vera be there na ado be mi ni jeru pon gbe ba. E social media na friend social media pana ya mwe okona ero hona vati okona obiesa na lovely ana ya mwe epishera ana interview era wenera imigo ana mo wera mo ya no do mo be social media vosunu wa mie ona win your masse not ba ona win your day on top not ba ona win your main viewer say not ba ona win e so aribe ya look bobo ne mi make na aru ave viewer ni am story gian ni amieta ruda ha mi viewer ruda ha mi ge YouTube wala o why look here because again e wa ye na o ha igi odo wa yi lo ye kegbe a ha lo ye kegbe na agi dokpa yo where you go go ya always if you do me anything I go give social media I go tell person wey dey top social media I go give presenter again na o ha igi ko ri we mi no keke no unu pia o ha igi pari we no keke no unu ko ru social media no re na ebo social media iye ya we mi no ma if you ebo ni bun social media ya we mi no ma but man if you do keke if igbo wa be sun na if igbo iye wa be do dey by the do ne iye wa do dey by the do ne be na wa je na ya ge na ni ya no wa tin o geshi oni e wa be lajo ni wa be ameme e be mami egbe ato e salo bo ame va tie na so eri ha ta se be na eri ha ta se be ne ya mi information re Monica be ne ya ka yen be e lolo if you have la jan e sta no we send him emi na re lolo ma ye ke amari mi so maybe after the video or send him so why me amia e coronavirus or ye here why fi gbo a we maybe we affect black wa kan be no wa mi you understand and wa be lawo wo wa be wuyo body man be rogwa because e man be Nigeria when na be we area no ke pa be do na hina area no ke be pa be in Nigeria na hina a street ni umeti maybe na be 20,000 maybe na be 20,000 na be 100,000 na be 10,000 we o ma easy ni ma wa u be rie otun or iju or a family we or say no trust we la wo you go na ya de indomie no packet indomie eva or ye ha ve ga ni man the street ni na pa iyobo no kwa be no wa la wo because o am revo ni aweni ya total yo wa ni ya e ba ero nothing walao wagabe wu yo bobe no bose wagabe wu akia imawo wa do rigo ni your account imawe wa do rigo ni many ya we no ti o manu ebe area dindomi de ona odona ga ni ya kere iyo bobe no abe leru nu you understand walao wo yo so lo ba mi wa yen wo ma easy yen wo wa ma ya beje but ma be wu yo bo kere be ni mani be mebu wa walao so irita ese wa to wa ekpe wa ri boye mi dan re o emi dan ma understand wa we se meye no ambassador Collins Osage and wa be mi amia wa enke no keke e kan wa na age video me after ma na oni eke na tie God Sent Family TV wa riva wa ya ge wa we se wa to wa ekpe wa we wa na be share the video e comment to wa e cause keke ya wa we se wa yo mova me keke wodo wa yin aviese o oba atope ise